Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today I want to show you how you can start your cool weather crops a good 6 or 8 weeks early. Now the problem with growing from winter into later spring is the ground is cold, and cold ground means your seeds aren't going to germinate. So we're putting in cool weather crops that can take the frost, but the ground is just too cold and the seeds are just going to sit there. So you can use, these are window well covers. I will put the videos of how I built all of these things in the video description. I did that last year. Window well covers, if you live in a place where you have basements in your homes, you buy a window well cover. It covers the window well that's in the ground so rain and water and snow and stuff doesn't go down there. It keeps the dirt out. If you buy 2 of them, you can make this beautiful dome. Just clip them together for a vent, put in a piece of wood like that. That will let out any of the warm air. I drop that dome right onto the ground. It'll leave an edge, and I am planting my purple top turnips right now. Spacing, you can space these really closely together. Let me show you why. These are purple top turnips that overwintered. I'm letting them grow. I'm going to harvest the greens. But you can see 4 were put into this small space. That's too many really, but you can drop in 2 seeds. They're just going to push each other out of the way and they're going to get to a good size. If you put in more than 2, just harvest one when it's smaller. That will give room for the other turnips to fully mature. But you don't have to over worry about the exact spacing for your root crops. They're going to work it out for you. So generally speaking, for turnips, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches. You can do this for carrots, for beets, for spinach, for lettuce, for radishes. Any cool weather crop that can really handle some frost. The dome and all the plastic that you see here, this is polycarbonate, everything here has UV protection, will help you speed up how quickly you can grow your cool weather crops by a good 6 or 8 weeks. So in here, there are 2 seeds per hole, and I just cover them over. Going to water it in, put the dome on. It's that simple. Let me talk a little bit more about the different things I'm using in my garden now. The sheets here, I just lay over my raised bed, and radishes are already popping up along here. And these went in on February 9th. Today is the 20th. So 11 days with this cover made a difference. I'm still getting nights where it gets down to 28 degrees, still getting frosts. I even have one that I build a frame, pop into polycarbonate, create a dome. That's for taller plants. And again, I will link the videos in the video description that show you how to build the window well dome and that design right there. Nothing fancy if you don't want to build anything. It's just dropping it on a raised bed. And when you get under here, you can see, oh, actually, some of the radishes are starting to sprout. That keeps it warm, keeps the ground from freezing. The warmer soil allows your cool weather crop seeds to germinate more quickly. You're going to have them, mature and get to your table much sooner. That's pretty much all you do. Now notice I did put pieces of wood on the polycarbonate so it doesn't blow away. With this, you could just put a bamboo post down there, anchor it to that so the wind doesn't lift it up. But generally speaking, you can use different materials from the big box stores, create domes, get polycarbonate sheets, use them in your garden, and you can grow, or you can seed start in the soil your cool weather crops a lot earlier and get them earlier to your table. Thanks for watching. I've got to get inside. The rain is coming down.